Hi, good day everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics Senayan Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is the car park counter display panels. Where I can see now is 4 digit. Each of the digit is 110 mm. The width of the panel is 370 mm and the height of the panel is 210 mm. Let's start our demo today. So we can see this is a controller box. Can plus one, that means that the car is exiting, so we can connect to the dry contact. So this connect to the barrier of the car, so when the car coming in, it will display. So whenever reach the 0, that means full, I will show full. So again, so for example, now is 5. So when we go down, car park, so when it full, minus 1, 2, 3. So I press 1, 2, 3, it resumes to 0. I press another one time, only it start 1. So we have the internal memory setting also. So plus. This is our projects. If you like our video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.